So it's my first time growing sunchokes, and I bought some from the store. I put them in here, they grew pretty, they had little yellow flowers on them, kind of like a sunflower, and I pulled up one plant and it didn't have any tubers, and then for the heck of it I pulled up another one and it had tons. So I forgot that I planted some here until I saw the dead stems. So I'm gonna try and see if this hole has any tubers in it. Oh, I think I found one. Here we go. But you can use them like a potato substitute. Okay, here's a little one. Some people they give kind of a digestive issues to, so always take just a few to see if they do that to you. But they're kind of cool to plant and easy to grow. I think that might be all of them in here. But I'm gonna keep digging around because last time I missed a whole bunch. All right, happy gardening.